And here we go again. Welcome back. Here we are in section 4.4, and I'm going to be dealing with the homework from question 4 now. So in question 4, they're just asking you to solve each equation in the domain 0 up to 2 pi, give the solution to the nearest hundredth of a radian. So when you see this hundredth of a radian, this means is another way to say 2 decimal places. So you'll basically be plugging these into a calculator, so it'll be pretty easy. It's just a matter of, do you know your expressions? So here we're dealing with cotangent theta equals, all right, so 3, 2, 1. So here we're dealing with cotangent theta equal to 12.3. So all we need to do is work through our trigonometric expressions and figure out a way to convert this back to find out the original angle. And keep in mind we don't have a cotangent button on our calculator. So what we'll be using here is our knowledge that cotan theta is equal to 1 tan theta. So if we want to try and solve this, what this would be, tan theta would be equal to the opposite of this, which would be 1 over cotan theta. So we're just flipping this. So if I flip this part of it, it becomes tan theta. If I flip this part of it, it becomes 1 over tan theta. So now tan theta would be the same as 1 over the original number here, which is 12.3. So now tan theta is going to equal some kind of decimal. 1 divided by 12.3 turns out to be 0.0813. And I want to try and figure out what theta is. So now we're going to have to go to our calculator. So let's go grab a graphing calculator and see what I can do with that. I'll move this up to make sure it's all in shot. So I'm just going to plug this value in. So 0.0813. And I want to undo the tan function to theta, so that means I'm going to hit shift, and before I do that I'll hit radians because it asked me for radians to the nearest hundredth of a degree. So shift tan is going to give me 0.08. So that'll be the answer I'm going to write down here. 0.08. Again, this is my hundredth place, so that's where I stop. So the final answer is going to be 0.08. So that's all we're doing in question 4. You're just basically plugging stuff into a calculator. You're just getting to use your knowledge of trigonometric expressions to get it into a form that can be plugged into a calculator. So I hope you found that part of the video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay. All right.